Welcome to Turks and Caicos, a tropical paradise that captivates with its stunning beaches, vibrant marine life, and laid-back charm. In this video, we'll explore fascinating fun facts, the best time to visit, top attractions, sustainability practices, and budget-friendly options. We'll also dive into the local culinary scene and what makes this destination uniquely unforgettable. Turks and Caicos, an archipelago of 40 islands and cays in the Caribbean, boasts a rich history and captivating geography. Historically, the islands were first inhabited by the Taino people and later became a key trading post in the colonial era. Geographically, Turks and Caicos is known for its crystal-clear turquoise waters and white sandy beaches. Demographically, it's a blend of local island culture and international influences, making for a vibrant and welcoming atmosphere. The islands are also home to some of the world's third-largest coral reef, making them a prime spot for snorkeling and diving. When it comes to historical and heritage tours, consider visiting the Grand Turk Lighthouse and the National Museum. These sites provide a glimpse into the island's maritime history and the influence of British colonial rule. One of the most unique discoveries you can make in Turks and Caicos is the breathtaking glow of the bioluminescent waters in certain areas, like the Sapodilla Bay. This natural phenomenon is truly mesmerizing and should be on your must-see list. Here are some intriguing fun facts about Turks and Caicos. Did you know that the islands are named after the indigenous Turk's cap cactus, and Caicos is derived from the Lucayan term 𝐂𝐻𝐸𝐿, meaning string of islands? Now, let's dive into the top 10 attractions you shouldn't miss. First, Grace Bay Beach offers pristine sand and clear waters perfect for sunbathing and swimming. Next, visit 𝐂𝐡𝐚𝐩𝐭𝐞𝐫𝐬 National Park, famous for its striking turquoise lagoon. Enjoy stunning views, tranquil waters perfect for kayaking, and a serene environment for relaxation. Third, explore the coral reefs at Smith's Reef for incredible snorkeling opportunities. Fourth, take a trip to Little Water Cay, also known as Iguana Island, to see the endangered rock iguanas. Fifth, enjoy the historical charm of the Grand Turk Cruise Center, where you can learn about local history and shop for souvenirs. Sixth, don't miss Long Bay Beach, ideal for kiteboarding and a quieter beach experience. Seventh, embark on a boat trip to Middle Caicos and explore the dramatic cliffs and hidden beaches of Mudgeon Harbor, where you can discover stunning natural landscapes and secluded spots. Eighth, visit the Caicos conch farm to learn about conch cultivation. Ninth, explore the local art scene at the Provo Art Gallery. 10th, enjoy a sunset cruise for an unforgettable view of the island's natural beauty. For a taste of local flavor, Turks and Caicos offers a delightful culinary scene. Be sure to try conch fritters, a local specialty, and fresh seafood like grilled snapper and lobster. Don't miss out on sampling the traditional peas and rice, as well as the delicious rum punch. If you're traveling on a budget, there are several affordable options. Look for guest houses or budget hotels rather than luxury resorts. Street food and local eateries offer delicious meals without breaking the bank. Free or low-cost activities include beach hopping, hiking, and exploring local markets. The best time to visit Turks and Caicos is from November to April when the weather is pleasantly warm and dry. This period is ideal for enjoying outdoor activities and the island's beautiful beaches. Travel hacks for Turks and Caicos include booking flights and accommodations in advance to secure the best rates. Bring Reef-safe sunscreen to protect the marine environment and pack light, breathable clothing for the tropical climate. When it comes to travel etiquette, be mindful of local customs and respect the environment. Support local businesses and always ask for permission before photographing people. What sets Turks and Caicos apart is its unparalleled natural beauty and serene atmosphere. The combination of crystal-clear waters, vibrant marine life, and the warm, welcoming culture makes this destination a truly unique experience. In terms of sustainability and responsible tourism, the islands are committed to preserving their natural environment. Engage in eco-friendly practices, such as reducing plastic use and participating in local conservation efforts. Supporting community-based tourism initiatives also helps sustain local livelihoods. To wrap up, Turks and Caicos offers a captivating blend of natural beauty, rich history, and vibrant culture. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe, like, and comment below with your own experiences or favorite spots in Turks and Caicos. We'd love to hear from you. Your thoughts and feedback are invaluable to us. For more travel inspiration, check out our related videos that showcase stunning destinations and tips to enhance your adventures. See you in the next adventure. We can't wait to explore new places together.